Hi there, how are you doing? So today's topic is supposed to, and we'll know how to use supposed to in our speaking. We should first know the supposed to. So here is supposed to, and we should know the form, which is called structure. There's a structure: subject, be verb. We know that one. Then supposed to, then verb. Verb is base form. Then extension. What do you want to add the information? So this is the structure, and we call it form. And this is how we'll make it. Then we'll have the subject and present and past. If we want to make it past, then we would make it. If we want to make it present, then we would. If the subject is I, then in the present we will use am, and in the past we will use was. You, they, we, then we will use are, and in the past we will use were. And if it is she, it, name, then in the present tense we will use is supposed to, and in the past tense we will use was supposed to. Remember, without auxiliary verb you cannot use supposed to, and it will not give you any meaning, so be aware of it. Then we'll look at the one possible way to describe it: to be expected or intended to happen in a particular way, or to have a particular result. For an example, the new regulations are supposed to help single parents. That means a new regulation has been built or has been made, and which probably help the single parents. Today was supposed to have been sunny, but it's raining. It could be like that, the weather forecasted that today would be sunny, but it is not. So for that reason you could say today was supposed to have been sunny. So in that sense you could use this form or structure. Now we'll move to that one: to be expected to behave in a particular way, especially according to a rule, an agreement, or someone in authority. So you are supposed to make a copy of the contract before you mail it. So that means if you want to mail any contract, you should make a copy of it. So that was signed here. If it is in past tense, then it would be like that: you are supposed to make a copy of the contract before you mail it. That means you didn't copy, but you should have done it. Am I supposed to be at the meeting on Tuesday? That means I'm asking, yes, should I be there? uh, do I need to be there, like that? So this is how actually this called. Now we'll move to definition of be supposed to. There are some definition that I talked before. To be expected to do something. They are supposed to arrive tomorrow. That means when you are talking about future, that they will come tomorrow. So you are talking to your friend that they are supposed to arrive tomorrow. So she was supposed to be here an hour ago. That means now 10 o'clock she had a plan to come at 9 o'clock, but she didn't. So for that reason you are saying that she was supposed to be here an hour ago. That means she should have arrived at 10 o'clock, but she didn't. She made 1 hour late. For that reason you are saying and you are stating she was supposed to be here an hour ago. The next one: the movie was supposed to earn a lot of money, but that means the movie was not super hit. It didn't make money. You are saying that now you are talking to your friend, the movie was supposed to earn money, but it didn't. The next one, to be intended or expected to be something. The party was supposed to be a surprise. That means you thought or somebody said the party would be nice and surprising, but when you went, you saw it's so dull and really boring. Now you are talking or making statement to your friend. The party was supposed to be a surprise. Number three, used to show that one is angry or offended by something. Was there supposed to be funny? That means you are saying something to your friend or you are talking to your friend, but they when they listen you, they started laughing, they started making mock. So for that reason you are saying there supposed to be funny. I thought it was quite rude. Well, you've done it again. What's that supposed to be or supposed to mean? That means you are saying or you are making something and you thought that they are really rude to you and you said that and you asked them the question. This is how actually it goes on. So try to understand all the part of which has been said here. Number four, used to say what someone should do. That means you are giving advice to someone. You are supposed to listen to your parents. That means you are saying your niece or your nephew that you are supposed to listen to your parents. I am supposed to clean my room before I go outside. That means I'm saying myself or I am committing to the work of myself that I should clean my room before I go outside. What are we supposed to do in a situation like this? That means if we get a situation like a person got, and what we will do or what we should do. Now we are talking or just asking to the person. Number five, used to refer to what someone is allowed to do. That means I'm giving him permission to do something. You are not supposed to leave the room. That means we might be the responsible or the responsibility of this room is on our shoulder. We shouldn't go out. So for that reason we are saying we are not supposed to leave the room. In other words, now it is a time of lockdown, so we shouldn't go out. So now we are saying that we are not supposed to leave the room. Are you are you the are you supposed to be here after the building has closed? That means should you leave the building after the building closed? Maybe you are the caretaker of this building. Maybe you are the responsible of this building, so you shouldn't go outside after the building has closed. Used to indicate what people say about someone or something. I heard that she's good. She's supposed to be the best doctor in the town. The breed of dog is supposed to be good with kids. Here is thing that you heard something about this from someone that they are good, they have such thing. Now you are expecting that they would be like that. The level of passions you've shown, it is really appreciated, and I firmly believe that you liked it. And yes, comment us to just inform that you have liked it, you want such videos more, and I'll be making lot more videos regarding these phrases, so-called structure. And another thing is that if you think that that is useful for you, then definitely spread it out to your friends and thumbs up. Definitely do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. And stay well, stay safe. Thank you very much for today. See you next day.